So I want to tell you about this PopTech, basically a cell phone holder for your car vent, sent to me by PopTech. So what it is really a very interesting clamp for your phone, but for your pop socket. So if you have a pop socket in your phone like we have here, and you want to use it to hang up your phone in the car, a lot of the new ones won't work because you have the pop socket in the way, right? So this solves that problem. So super easy and super smart idea. So it does come with the actual holder itself, and it does come with the car vent. And these are easy to install. We're just going to pop into the car 1 second. I'm going to show you how to use that. Oh, so basically, it's simple enough to you just pop this on like that. You put this in the vent, and we'll show you that in 1 second. And basically, all you have to do is take your phone and just pop it right on like that and hold your phone. So that's pretty ingenious. Look at that, how it holds that phone perfectly. In the actual kit itself, they do give you an extra screw mount if you need it in case, which is always nice to have. They also give you a little instructions, which is very easy. And they give you some alcohol preps, and this is a basic extra socket. If your pop socket kind of wears off, say this piece wears off and you want to add a new sticker, they give you some extra stickers, which is actually really smart. So I like it. It's well made, and so far I like the quality build. Let's take a look at it. Let's put it in the car and see how easy it is to install. As you can see, it's got the easy hook here, access to open and close to install in the car. All right, let's get to the vehicle and see how it looks. Okay, guys, so I'm in the car, and you can see here the super easy. You just open it up just like that, really easy ratchet, opens right up. And what you want to do is you just want to put it right into the vent and grab the back of the vent with the hook. It's that easy. So let's go right ahead and grab a hook. Let's put it right here. Let's grab the back of that and just tighten it up. That's all you have to do is just cinch it down. It's that easy to install. Super easy. Just cinch it down to the vent and you are good to go. And there is your phone holder. Just that easy. And tighten up the back so you can adjust that, which is nice. And that's it. That's all you have to do, guys. Super easy. Just like that, you can see how it's installed. Really slide it down, and there's your phone. Installed, good to go. I love how that works. Look at that. That's beautiful. Really smart and ingenious. And that way you can keep your pop socket and have your phone all at one time. I absolutely love that. Look at that. That's super cool.